Yeah. This is unbelievable.
Do they have any preference for the
their preference, definitely those thorn trees. You can see them nibbling on them there. Sweet thorn acacia is definitely a favourite, but it's much easier to pick up these what's called tortoise fruit. It's nice and soft, so it's quite palatable. So they do pick that up very easily. But they definitely prefer, their favourite fruit is
You wanted to be amongst the elephants, you can't get any closer on this.
Yeah. I've gotten everything I want so far. Is there anything else on the wish list? Not really.
And we'll have a meeting tonight.
Cheetah would be cool, but I don't want to be like too picky. Wow.
That's a long way to come back if you don't see what you want to see.
Yeah, look at that one, Owen. That was a good photo. Look.
Yeah.
not a care in the world.
Oh, look at these two fighting. Oh.
Span.
Oh, those two are still pushing and shoving.
Look how cute! Oh, get those on video. Those little guys.
Oh.
Oh, come and see what's going on.
Here we go. Need to zoom out. How do I zoom out? It's so close. Wow.
Look at that small one on the side. It's perfect replica of his mum.
How old would that be? 2, 3 maybe?
Can everybody see?